I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and gas, safety first. Next, remove the access panel so you can see the exhaust port clearly and mark the exterior termination location. Once done, assemble the vent sections on the ground to verify fit and length and check clearances to combustibles. Make sure to use the correct diameter and wall thickness specified by Rinnai because improper pipe leads to performance loss. Keep your drill and sealant within reach. You're about to install the vent through the wall. You next cut the wall using the template, taking care to maintain the correct pitch. A slight downward slope away from the heater prevents condensation pooling. Then feed the inner and outer vent pieces through, sliding them until the stop meets the unit flange. Use the supplied clamps and brackets to secure each joint and tighten incrementally so the pipe stays aligned. Once connected, apply high-temperature sealant to each splice and test fit the termination cap. Make sure the cap orientation matches the wind and local code. You finish by restoring gas and power, and then initiate the unit's purge cycle per the Rinnai guide. Watch for steady ignition and monitor the operation for several minutes. Listen for rattles or restricted airflow. If the unit shows error codes, consult the error list but first recheck vent joints, slope, and clearance to obstructions. Make sure the termination cap is free of debris. If you still have problems, shut off gas and call a licensed technician. Venting issues affect safety and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.